Hello, how to test the oxygen O2 sensor. This sensor is in narrowband, typically zirconia type, which is the most common narrowband sensor used. This sensor has 4 wires. If there is more than 2 wires, then it has an inside heater. These 2 white wires are for the heater, and the black and the gray, one for the signal and one for the signal ground. Before testing the O2 sensor, check if the O2 heater is receiving power from the connector. It's better to test it when the exhaust system is cold, because in some models the heater circuit will turn off when the exhaust pipes reach their operating temperature. These 2 wires that matches the white wires are for the heater circuit. Set the multimeter to 200 ohms in order to test the O2 heater circuit. It's about 9 ohms. Then check the specification of your O2 sensor heater circuit if the number is okay. There shouldn't be any reading between the heater wires and the signal wires. Then set the multimeter to 2 volt DC to check the signal. The multimeter is not accurate in reading rapid fluctuating voltage, but I will try testing it with the multimeter. A good O2 sensor will show a rapid fluctuating voltage between approximately 0.1 and 1 volt, 3 times in a second for this O2 type sensor. If the sensor output voltage is constant, about 0.45, or its response time is too slow, it should be replaced. Note, only the upstream O2 sensor should have a rapid fluctuating voltage. The downstream O2 sensor that's located after the catalytic converter have almost a constant output voltage. Here, the scanner reads the fluctuating voltage correctly. That's what it should look like. If the output voltage is more than 0.6 volt all the time, this indicates a rich mixture and could be caused by one or more of the following. These are the most common. And if it is below 0.4 volt all the time, this indicates a lean mixture and could be caused by one or more of the following. These are the most common. Here, the downstream O2 sensor is constant, 0.45, which is very good. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and thanks for watching.